Hello my friends and welcome to RTR TV. Come out today because it's a bit of a blustery day, so I come down the common to test out this new soft shell jacket I got by BAERSkin. It's a tactical soft shell jacket with the liner and the hoodie liner, and it's pretty good so far. I mean, all I've got on is this jacket and the liner and a t-shirt basically, and it's definitely cooled down a bit, so I'm just going to take it for a little spin along the seafront because I think that'd be a good test on a day like today. And I hope you can hear me because the wind is blowing, so let's take it down there and give it a little test run, see if it can keep the wind out. I'm riding across the field where a month ago the common stage was victorious, but anyway, yeah, it's going against the wind. Don't feel any wind getting through, that's for sure. Feel snug as a bug in a rug. I will show you this in a minute, show you the liner and the shell, so I'll find a spot and show you what it's all about. It's actually woolly out weather now. It is really blowy down here, but this coat, obviously you can see how it's spelt. I think you can see it. That's Rubberized logo. So it's got 9 pockets. One on there's got a patch, put your logo on or whatever. 2 pockets there. And if I undo it, this fleece has got a pocket there, pocket there, pocket there. If I open this up, there's 2 zip pockets inside, and yeah, quite a lot. Sorry about the wind. And this can actually zip into, if I can remember how to do it. That's it. You can connect the fleece to the coat, to the shell. So that's that side. Just got to remember how to do it. And then on this side, do it again. So that's the shell connected. But I don't think I'll do that because you lose those inner pockets that are on the fleece, which is really handy, I think, because obviously there's zip up pockets, and then you can, this is all I got on, t-shirt and this coat. So yeah, it's very warm, keeps the wind out, elasticated. God, I hope you can hear me. The wind is blowing a bit, elasticated. I didn't show you on the hoodie actually, I don't want to take it all the way off, but the hoodie part is elasticated too, Velcro. You can have it as tight as you want it, it's good, keep the wind out. And it's in on it. It's the Queen's Hotel. Yeah, so actually go down to the beach, see if it keeps the wind out. Oh yeah. No cycling, no skateboarding, sorry. This is in the interests of science. Oh, there we go, yes. Cool. Right, I'll turn you around. Well, this seems like as good a place as any to test this. See if it stops the wind getting to me. Yeah, I can't feel it. I can't feel any wind on my body whatsoever. It's cool. Out there you got the Solent and the Isle of Wight. What a sight, eh? What a sight. That's the castle over there. Right, let's take another ride up the beach. We'll go right to the shoreline if we can. Really nice riding down here. Not feeling any of the wind on my body at all. I'm doing 15 miles an hour, so yeah, pretty good. I'll stop and give you a little bit of blurb about it now. See if I can shout from the wind a bit. Right, here's a bit about the, I got the blurb up on the phone about the old BAERSkin. You can see it there, fits quite well. You can tie it in at the down on the hem, that's cool. But yeah, it says soft shell outside, fleece inside, 100% rain insulation that defies Mother Nature. That's a bold statement, isn't it? Defies Mother Nature. I can't wait to test it in the rain now. Right, yeah, outer shell, double thick woven shell material that's still light, flexible and versatile with the trail to the workshop, from the trail to the workshop. Fleece inside, laminated with 330 GSM, BAERSkin fleece on the inside to regulate heat and keep you warm. Waterproof coating, rain insulation design, 9 pockets. So that's a handy thing. I already pointed them out, didn't I? I needed a new jacket. My old North Face jacket, useless. Did not stop any water whatsoever. So this came up and Kerry, Mrs. RTR, bought it for me. And it's not cheap. Then again, neither was the North Face when I first got it. It's £149 for the soft shell and the fleece liner. And the fleece on its own is amazing. It's really thick and warm. So yeah, and I paid with it out of my own money as well, because I really needed a new waterproof coat. I'm going to get some trousers soon as well, the same but black. I'm going to get them in black, so that'd be good. But yeah, I didn't know if I was going to get to test the waterproof functionality of this jacket today, but the rain has held off. So yeah, the BAERSkin tactical soft shell jacket and fleece liner. It's pretty good, keeps the wind out really well, and it's warm. That's the most important thing, isn't it? It's warm. Could always put another layer on, it'd be great. So yeah, I think I'll leave the video there. Just wanted to test how good it kept the wind out really today, and it's done it great. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I'm moving about, wherever it may be. See you soon. Bye.